Spaceflight mission headed for the orbit on the Thursday morning, that is April 24. A Long March 2F rocket topped with the Shenzhou 20 crew spacecraft that is off-lifted from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in the northwest China on the April of 24, also Beijing time. Shenzhou 20 cadet Commander Chen Dong on his third trip to the space, and rookie astronaut Chen and the Wang, both of them were selected for the China's third intake of the astronauts in the 2020. The Shenzhou 20 spacecraft is scheduled to rendezvous and dock at the Tiangong space station around 6.5 hours after the launch, and that they will be greeted by the incumbent Shenzhou 19 crew led by the commander Tsai Suje Tsai and the two colleagues, with hand over the control of the Tiangong to the incoming Shenzhou 20 astronauts, who will then begin their 6-month-long mission aboard the space station. Also, Chen Dong has strong spaceflight experience, having flown on the two-person Shenzhou 11 mission to the Tiangong 2 Space Lab, a larger and smaller precursor to the Tiangong in 2006. Also, he has then led the Shenzhou 14 mission to the Tiangong in 2022, which will oversee the arrival of the two experiment module to complete the 3-module space station. On one hand, I feel immense pride and honor to once again embark on the space journey of my country. Also, it is a great privilege and joy, Chen said during the April 23 press conference. On the other hand, I have greater expectations. Every space flight is unique, and I look forward to gaining more experience and making new breakthroughs during this mission. Chen also was formerly a pilot in the People's Liberation Army Air Force, also referred to as the Chinese Air Force, while Wang was an aerospace engineer with the China's main space contractor, that is CASC. To also become the qualified astronaut, Chen said that he underwent intense training covering over 200 subjects across 8 categories, while also facing challenges such as centrifuge training and spin chair exercises. He was inspired by the visit to the University of Yang, China's first astronaut in the space. Also, at the time, I never dared to imagine that years later I would become the astronaut myself, he said. Wang stated that he will, as a spaceflight engineer, be assisting the other 2 astronauts and will mainly be responsible for material management as part of the mission's scientific objective.